You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's download videos from X, formerly Twitter. First, open the X app or website and find the video you want to save. Tap the share icon below the post. Look for an option that says copy link and tap it. Now open a web browser and go to a video downloader website like /savetwitter.net or Twitter. Video downloader, paste the copied link into the downloader's search box. Click the download button. The website will process the video and give you download options, usually for different video qualities. Select your preferred quality and tap download. The video file will save directly to your device's downloads folder on iPhone. You may need to use a shortcut in the share menu. Select shortcuts and run a pre-made Twitter downloader shortcut. This saves the video to your photos. Remember, respect copyright and only download content you have permission to use or for personal viewing. These third-party tools are not officially supported by X. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.